I think Hiral is not coming today, so I'll be only taking the session today. So we'll just start. Okay. First of all, good evening, everyone. Hiral is not able to join today, so I'll be taking the session. We'll start with commodities first, and as always, generally we start with dollar index and what is happening with the dollar index. So dollar index, ever since the day we have seen the numbers of inflation, dollar index is not moving above 93, and that itself is positive. Apart from that, there is a new wave of COVID crisis which has started in China, and that is concerning for the markets. And markets are really skeptical going forward that what will happen in China now. Till so far, China was not the victim. When you talk about commodities, 50% of the commodity consumption takes place in China. And if there is a problem in China, then there can be a big problem with the commodity complex. But right now, I think the most important factor for all the markets is what is happening with the dollar index, and that is going down. So with what is happening in China and what is happening with dollar, gold seems attractive to me. Yesterday also, gold made after the PPI data, gold made a low. So not positionally, but I would recommend to go long in gold around 46,470. Upside target 46,680. Stop loss should be placed at 46,290. Similarly, even silver 62,200 good levels to buy. 61,890 should be a stop loss, and on the upside target should be 62,850. So that is the strategy for gold and silver. Crude oil looks weak to me on the wake of COVID, breakout of COVID cases in China. I think US and China both are the largest. US is the number one consumer of crude oil. China is the second largest consumer of crude oil, and both countries are grappling with the rising COVID cases. So supply is rising, and the COVID cases are shooting up. So oil should go down. 5130 good levels to go short. 5180 stop loss. Target should be 5050. Now we come to the base metal. So in base metal, we are expecting, base metal prices to remain under pressure broadly. 1 minute. Getting one Skype call. So base metal prices are under pressure. Okay. And because of that, I'm expecting, a base metal in today's trading session, copper can give a pullback till 735 or maximum nickel from here 10-15 rupees. But I'm not bullish on base metal at all. The reason for me not being bullish on base metal is rising COVID cases in China should hamper the economic activity over there, and hence the metals can, come under pressure. So 535 कॉपर आ सकता है, वहां पे बेचिए. 535 कॉपर आ सकता है, वहां पे बेचिए आप. और ऑन दी अपसाइड टारगेट आपको रखना चाहिए. ऑन द डाउन साइड आपको टारगेट रखना चाहिए कॉपर का. Sorry, I was getting a Skype call from CNBC Awas, so I was trying to disconnect it. It was not getting disconnected, so there was a mild interruption. So टारगेट कॉपर का फिर से 727 728 के टारगेट आनी चाहिए. और कॉपर ऊपर में मुझे नहीं लग रहा है, बहुत हैवी है और ज़्यादा अपसाइड नज़र नहीं आ रही है. सेम इज द केस विद द अदर बेस मेटल लाइक निकल. ऑलरेडी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कार की स्टोरी के ऊपर चल गया है. 1500 के आसपास निकल भी शॉर्ट करना चाहिए 1480 के टारगेट के लिए. 1510 15 12 का स्टॉप लॉस रखना चाहिए. सो metals I'm not positive at all. I think I'll take the questions. Can I do we have any questions today?
Let's pick for today. Hello.
Yes.
So we have a question, which is your best pick for today?
Yeah, you can ask the question.
The question is, which is your best pick for today?
What is आज के दिन इंट्राडे में क्या करना है?
Yes.
That's your question?
Yes.
इंट्राडे में आप गोल्ड और सिल्वर में बाय कीजिए. गोल्ड सिल्वर में बाइंग कीजिए, मुझे लग रहा है दोनों में आज अपसाइड कंटिन्यू रहेगी, फॉलो अप बाइंग आएगा और गोल्ड सिल्वर आज जो 46,700 गोल्ड और 62,700 800 सिल्वर के प्राइस ट्रेस करते हुए दिखा सकते हैं। फ्राइडे है, शॉर्ट कवरिंग में गोल्ड और सिल्वर दोनों बढ़ेंगे।
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.